microhouse. Do you ever wish you could just pick up your home and drive it somewhere else? Well, you can now. The microhouse is a 3D printed mobile home that does not need a sewage connection, power connection, or water connection. It has its own battery with 16 kilowatt of storage and a water tank with a capacity of 550 gallons that allows this mobile home to be fully autonomous for 365 days a year. It's powered by 100% renewable energy sources. This is a smart house that can pretty much be controlled entirely through your phone. Everything from lights to windows to doors is automated. It has a full kitchen, a living room, a bedroom, and looks like the coziest mobile home you'll ever see. The microhouse movement has redefined our perspective on living spaces, demonstrating that a smaller footprint can lead to a larger sense of fulfillment. By blending innovative design, sustainability, and minimalism, microhouse offers a lifestyle that's both practical and rewarding.